from Muñoz Modison. And starting back, starting at center, jersey number 20, Kanutan. Small forward, jersey number 36, Dawa. Shooting guard, jersey number 30. And a point guard, jersey number 7, Tukabe. And from Team Rizal Collier Senior Division. And starting five, starting at guard, jersey number 11, Dakis. Jersey number 20, Payupay. Power forward, jersey number 7, Irama. At center, jersey number 2, Katusyo. And small forward, jersey number 4, Kapulo. And this is the main event. Ang ating final. Jumble to the winner, turingan to Katusyo. And Muñoz first possession, Tawang with the ball. And Tawang take the ball, kicks out no pass, Tinyang version 3. And at this time, so good, first rebound, Tukabe. And the first basket from Muñoz. Dakis bounce pa sa Mapuno. And a halip inside, oh! Irangan! Basket from ang Team Rizal. Tawang sending the play to Tukabe, back to Tawang. And Tawang kicks out, Tinyang, pass on the other side. And a baseline to Tukabe again, Willem J. This time is again, put back, Kanutan. Dakis nila ang Kabuno. And Kabuno from the servo, way up, denied by Turingan. Seconds to shoot. And at the corner, shot is off. Rebound by Irangan, Rigams Dakis. And Dakis for the cut, Irangan lays up. And a big rebound, here comes Tukabe. Tukabe, then still. Irangan for the cut, Payupay, Katusyo. And a drop pass inside, Kabuno. Tukabe is big, acrobatic shot. And it's the Makomay Salvador Internal Basketball. Diyan natin ating Ashley Bug. And a pass naman na Galera, puts it up. And a big rebound by Katusyo. And Williams Dakis. Dakis no pass inside. Still with Rigan, Katusyo by Irangan. And Kamunok save the ball behind back pass inside. And that's the bucket! Irangan! 6-4 on the score. And a Katusyo again by Katusyo. Payupay at the break. Whoa! Tingnan nyo Tawang, Tukabe, and ang border steal, Kabuno. And Riga for the cut, Dakis, puts it in! And Irangan using the board. And nothing but net on the second by Katusyo. Angeles, and it's not by Katusyo again, kicks out to Irangan for the cut. Dakis, puts it in! Mansara to the corner, Abrano, take a shot, and again! Basket is good by Mansara inbounding, looking for the receiver. And a pass outside, Tukabe gets the ball, and a jumper is good. Well ran, Tukabe. And a perfect from the line, Dakis. 14-6 on score. Tukabe to Tawang. And a hollow by Abrahano. Pasok lang. Tukabe wide open three. Short. And becomes Payupay. Payupay front goes the ball. Speaker roll. In and out. Tawang lays up. Yes sir. Dakis to Payupay, back to Dakis. And Dakis in the play, set screen by Coraben. Dakis to be discarded. And Dakis pass outside. And again, Parson 3. Payupay miss on the market. For Tawang about to reach 15 seconds left. Extra pass inside. Abrahano, too strong. 10 seconds. Manzano front goes. Quick answer. And a wake off. Pre-rebound by Abraham of Angeles. To the other side, baseline. And from a close range again. Caducio grabs the board. Payo running. Capuno. Yes, sir! Manzano, Angeles with the ball. And Angeles on the other side. And again, this time is again. Best rebound by Hipolito. And a save the ball. Jumper is good. Abraham. Manzano to Tocabe. Back to Manzano. And Manzano kicks out Angeles. Gets the ball by Tocabe. Underneath, big. Pass through with that. Hipolito. Pick the roll. And shake pass to Hurtado. 10 to shoot. Back to Dawa. And Rabiscal play. 5 to shoot. Abraham and again. Jumper. Basket is good. Play Abraham. And it's here, Iran all the way. Gets away. Iran to the score. Gascon to Dakis, gets the ball. And a pass to Baralabus. And to the other side, back to Dakis. 10 to shoot. Dakis and puts it up. He missed. Father for the rebound and rebound by Cortado. Rabiscal to Manzano. Cortado from deep three, hitting out. Gascon, the shot is denied. And a line violation. Back to the lead, Rizal. Manzano to Abrano, swing pass to Cortado. And here comes Rabiscal. Rabiscal loses the ball, send the ball to Manzano, kicks out to the open man. Abrano from perimeter. And a hole again, 22. And goes for the bounding to Dakis. Capuno, drive on the baseline. And puts it in by Capuno. Dakis dribbling the ball. Gascon. And Gascon pass for the cut. Ira from the side. Hit one. And Dawa gets the ball by Rabiscal back to Dawa. And Dawa sending the play to Cortado. Cortado step up for three. And Pabua Kiluta. And Gascon. Dawa rebounding. What a nice move. 1,000 IQ coming from Dawa. Capuno at the driving still. And Dawang running. Pass for the cut. Cortado from the circle. Elbow. Gascon from the mix. And I check Padel for the ball. Gascon inside. Short. And for the putback follow by Capuno. Sets me by Padel to Tocabe. And Tocabe kicks out to the open man. Dawang again, 10 to shoot. Set swing again by Ipolito. Pass to the other side. Tocabe, drive on the basket. 3 to shoot. Torian, way off. Best of rebound, reverse roll. And the rest is good. Pass, Torian lays up. And using the board by Torian. Iran gets the ball. And Caducio, Williams good. And Dakis at the probably extra pass field by Gulunan. And Dawang send the ball, lays up. And easy layup by Dawang. Here comes Tocabe and a Paprito line. Gets it by the way. Tocabe fake. And Tocabe attack the ring. Punch it in. Dawang, Tugalunan, Pillar. And a get it out. That's a rebound by Hipolito. Kalutan again for the power play. And it's a game by Dawang. And going back to double digit. 44-34, 10-point lead. Turingan, extra pass to Tongabel, sing the ball. And a Tongabel at the loving turnaround, Jay. Can to shoot. And got this here, easy pass. And a Tongabel, jumper miss. There's a rebound, hit by the drop pass to the bottom of the ball. David, Himes, Tippy, Turingan. Mendoza save the ball. Dolo pass inside. Ingran. Pirmada. And a tawag tingin na screen. And a tawag to Tongabel. Tongabel baseline. And kicks out still. Counter sila ngayon by Tongabel. Here comes tawag attack na din. Extra pass inside to the open man. And will be finished by Galulang. Gaston, and a pass is good by Gaston. And a turn to Sugar, the good. Turn again to Tongabel, a baseline, acrobatic shot. Oh! Ganda naman lang. And it is very well. And a bonus miss. And a Gabulang plays out shot block by Turingan. And still by Tongabel. Counter still again. Tongabel out for the shot. And again. And a Turingan. Floater good by Turingan. Second one is good by Tino. Mendoza, extra pass to Mabulok. And a alley-oop by Coronel. Turingan, and a counter steal by Cabulok. Cabulok for the cut, and a pass to Coronel. Payubay swing pass, step back for three, Iran. And off the mark, Agnes grab the miss. And Dawang recover the ball, Dawang running. Dawang lays up, finish. Gaduso kicks out to Cabulok at the break. Easy basket. And Takis 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. And again, there's a ball goal coming from jersey number 20. Hello, Reds. And so again, may payupay. On the break, finger on short. And I brought the mistake down to Angeles. And so that's 3 teammates, 5-3. Tongabel. And payupay to Kabunok. Extra pass inside Katusha for the Labus. And underneath is good. Katusha. And underneath too strong. And again by Coronel. 5 seconds. Layo. 2 seconds. Put back. In and out. Mansano to Abrahano. Next pass back to Abrahano. And for return, this is good. 6.8, 57, 51. Abrahano, swing pass on the other side. And away up, big rebound by Dakis. And Dakis, ayaw pa yung too strong. And grab the board by Abrahano. Mansano across the lane. And Abrahano take a shot. Goes the good. Takis with the ball to Payupay. Payupay from different range. And a way up. Defensive rebound. Put back. Takis. And a 7-point lead. Down for three. Yes, sir. Three. And a third gusto ng defensive rebound by Catuso. Shots block by Hipolito. And a Catuso again inside. Close range. Take it. Tawang to the corner. To Goben. And Goben recovered the ball from way downtown. Hit it out. And a defensive rebound again. Cortado. Finish is good. Cortado. Perfect from the line of Takis. 4-point lead, 63-59. In favor of Munoz. Tawang pass na niya, Cortana and Poraka. Defense names good. Angeles. Angeles, next pass to Vegas. And it goes inside. Basket by Apran. And that is the traffic. And again, do some more.
Tira mo.
Apran to Manzano to Maniguez. Back to Manzano. That's the ball by Abrano. And Maniguez on the order. Then to shoot. And a counter steal. Payupay at the break. Pick. What a nice pick. Payupay. Maniguez to Manzano. And still by Payupay. On the way by Takis. Well, that was good. Good man, pull up G. Puts it in. And a the ball by Takis to Payupay. Para shot, elbow. Running for a pocket to see the Payupay. Hit it out. And pull back again by Apran. Manzano. And from the range na good. Rebound by Catuso. Payupay, Poraka, good man. Too strong. And layup's good. Followed by Apran. 9 seconds on the shot clock. And a blue release, put back, put away, off the glass. Takis yung pass Payupay. And again, see the ball. Here comes Shabunok. Kicks out inside, and underneath, shot is blocked. By Cortado. Kabunok and for the Labos, losable steal by Cortado. And ang Tawang recover the ball. Tawang and attack the defense from pass to Manzano. That's the backer. 3 seconds. Payupay to Catuso. Check it out, G. Go! 25 seconds remaining. And it's still Payupay running for the hand. That is Patrick! 3 strings. And in and out on the second. 48 seconds remaining for the third quarter. 69 GC 3-point lead. And a double in pass on the other side. 5-3. And at this time, here goes Takis. Takis up para shot. Patrick! Second personal foul, Catuso. And a turning on. Short. Rebound by Kabunok. Kabunok on the run, Coramen gets the ball, Coramen continues. And gets the ball. And Kabunok fighting the open man, pass inside. Pitching bomb. Choose number 4. Dawang tuturingan. Back to Dawang. And Dawang cross the lane. And puts it up. And away off. Recovered by Tokoben. Tokoben grabbing the basket. And he pulled it out of it. And shots it up. That's what by Daniel to Kabunok. Kabunok is inside the run to Kano. Wow! What a nice connection from Kim Sal. Takis big pass sa Kabunok. And a shooting in the air. Way up, put back, drop pass inside, underneath. And another pass inside. He popped them. And a Takis pass on rebound, Payo by from 3-point range. Way off. Special rebound by Irangan, brother. And again again, for the putback. Yes, sir! Kabunok. And Tokoben to Turingan. Turingan ang puts it up, puts it in. Balik sa kalaban ang Team Muñoz. And Tokoben, to Tawang again. Set screen by Turingan, Tawang. Back to Turingan. 10 to shoot. And Chopper is on the target. Kailangan ko Kabunok. Kabunok again. And a look pass from mid-range to strong. Dawang grabs the ball, Carlos to the Bayupay. And a Takis setting the play to Bayupay again. Wide open three. Kabunok on the baseline! Yes, sir! Bayupay to Takis. 10 to shoot. And a left corner three. Too strong. And he goes down again. Down, lays up, miss. Special rebound, he put back, too strong. And I'm on this position again. And the order, basket is good. 1 point. Kabunok. And Irangan with the ball. Irangan turn around Jay, puts it up, too strong. And a mess of rebound. Here comes Bayupay. Straight pass and steal. And a Dawang pick. What a nice take. And there's a little below. Takis to Kabunok. And attack the ring. Puts it in. The double digit 91-81. 10-point lead. And Tawang as a probably triple defender for Hipólito. And release it by Hipólito. Caduso inside. Wow! And answers good play. Tawang Turingan and one shot. Look at Coramen with the rebound to Takis. Takis from coast to coast. Another 2 points by Takis. Takis inbounding. And next pass outside. Irangan from the outside to Bayupay. And Bayupay is having to play to Takis. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And Takis turn around Jay. Wow! And the 11th city is our conqueror. And at this time, still good. Pass Jose Manzano. And from close range, quick release, Pansan. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Size for green. Lead it out. And that's the recognition. The final score 98-93. Winner by Rizal Conquerors. And congratulations to Team Rizal. And our naman champion first Hollywood Cup. From the line of the sky. And the lead down to the lead, 96-93. 48 seconds left. And ang kabunok na ito ng bola, kicks out to Takis. And ang Takis top of defender at the traffic. Takis to Kadisyo. Can shoot. And Takis shooting there. Puts it! In and out at the second. From Iskal and from the mix. Turingan to Tumabe. Tumabe now trying for the basket. Puts it in! Tumabe to Turingan. From Iskal. Partial three. Sa kaunahan champion ng Aling Cup. Congratulations!